Discover how a best-in-class mechanical wireless keyboard can transform every moment you touch it. Feel the rush of precision beneath your fingertips, the freedom of a clean desk, and the quiet satisfaction of owning something that elevates your daily rhythm. This isn't just about typing, it's about claiming a tool that amplifies focus, inspires creativity, and turns ordinary tasks into a smooth, rewarding experience. Let yourself experience the upgrade your hands have been craving. Number 1. AULA x LINGBAO K98 Korean Mechanical Keyboard Wireless. AULA LINGBAO K98 Korean Mechanical Keyboard Wireless Tri-Mode Custom 10,000 Wh RGB Backlit Gasket Structure Macro Gaming Keyboard brings a sense of pride the moment it rests on a desk. Its presence carries a feeling of strength and confidence, almost as if it was built to elevate every action you take throughout the day. Each press becomes a small reminder that comfort and control can exist together, helping you drift into work or gaming with calm focus. The smooth response of the keys encourages longer sessions without strain, creating a rhythm that feels personal and rewarding. Its powerful battery capacity supports long hours, allowing you to enjoy an uninterrupted flow that keeps your mind fully involved in what you love. The lighting adds a gentle atmosphere that turns an ordinary room into a space that feels inspiring and expressive. People often look for something that feels reliable, something that adds value far beyond its appearance. This keyboard meets that desire by offering an experience that feels balanced, steady, and deeply satisfying. When placed in your setup, it feels like a meaningful upgrade, one that makes everyday tasks feel smoother and gaming moments more immersive. It becomes more than a tool, it becomes a comforting part of your routine. Number 2. LINGBAO K108 Pro Wireless Bluetooth. LINGBAO K108 Pro Wireless Bluetooth Korean Mechanical Keyboard Low Noise Full Size 104 Keys Customized Gaming Keyboard 10,000 Wh brings a feeling of calm control the moment your fingers touch it. Its smooth movement creates a gentle rhythm that helps your mind settle into work, study, or play with a sense of purpose. Every press feels stable and reassuring, turning long hours at a desk into something far more pleasant. The thoughtful layout creates an effortless flow, helping your hands move naturally without tension. Its quiet touch makes late-night sessions peaceful, allowing you to stay focused without disturbing anyone nearby. The strong battery capacity supports extended use, giving you freedom to enjoy your tasks without thinking about constant charging. This keyboard adds character to any setup, blending expressive style with a comforting presence that boosts confidence. It invites you to slow down, breathe, and enjoy each moment of typing. For many people, a reliable keyboard becomes a daily companion that shapes their routine. This one carries that feeling with ease, offering a smooth experience that feels personal and deeply satisfying. When placed on a desk, it feels like more than an accessory. It becomes a tool that encourages creativity, productivity, and a sense of pride in your space. Number 3. AULA F75 Pro Gasket Mounted Wireless Gaming Keyboard. AULA F75 Pro Gasket Mounted Wireless Gaming Mechanical Keyboard RGB Customized 75% Layout Side Engraving PBT Keycaps creates a feeling of quiet confidence the moment it becomes part of your setup. Its balanced shape and smooth response encourage a steady rhythm that helps you stay deeply involved in your work or game. Each press feels intentional, giving your hands a gentle sense of control that makes long hours feel lighter and more enjoyable. The thoughtful design encourages a clean space, helping your mind stay clear and focused. Its soft glow adds a warm atmosphere that invites creativity and calm energy, turning ordinary moments into something more meaningful. Whether you are writing, studying, or playing, the keyboard supports every action with a comforting presence that feels reliable and steady. People often search for something that brings comfort without sacrificing style. This keyboard delivers that feeling with ease, blending expressive character with a smooth touch that becomes part of your daily routine. Once placed on your desk, it feels like a natural extension of your personality, adding charm and purpose to every moment. It offers an experience that feels personal, inviting you to enjoy each tap with a sense of satisfaction that grows every day. Number 4. LINGBAO K98 Korean Mechanical Keyboard. LINGBAO K98 Korean Mechanical Keyboard Tri-Mode Wireless Gasket Structure Hot Swap Anime Keycap Gaming Keyboard 10,000 Watt-hour brings a sense of joy the moment it becomes part of your desk. Its lively design and smooth feel create an inviting atmosphere that encourages longer sessions with less strain. Every press carries a gentle softness that helps your hands move naturally, making work, study, and gaming feel much more pleasant and engaging. The expressive anime-inspired keycaps add personality to your space, turning your setup into something that reflects your style and mood. Its balanced layout supports comfortable movement, allowing your thoughts to flow without interruption. The strong battery capacity allows extended use, giving you the freedom to stay focused on what you enjoy without worrying about constant charging. Many people search for a keyboard that feels special, something that lifts their spirits and adds energy to their everyday routine. This keyboard offers that feeling effortlessly. It brings color, comfort, and a quiet confidence that makes you want to sit down and start typing. Placed on your desk, it becomes more than a tool. It becomes a source of motivation, a small piece of inspiration that brightens your day and makes every moment at your desk feel meaningful. Number 5. AULA F99 Pro Wireless Gaming Keyboard. AULA F99 Pro Wireless Gaming Keyboard Gasket Structure compatible with 3 or 5 pins hot swap mechanical keyboard with median knob brings a feeling of quiet strength the moment it settles onto your desk. Its smooth response invites your hands to relax, allowing every movement to feel natural and steady. As you type, a gentle flow builds, helping your thoughts move freely without distraction, turning long hours into something far more pleasant and rewarding. The keyboard carries a presence that adds calm energy to any setup, giving your space a touch of personality that feels both modern and comforting. Its refined form encourages focus, helping you stay connected to your work, study, or game without unnecessary tension. Each press feels deliberate, bringing a satisfying sense of control that makes everyday tasks feel more enjoyable. People often search for something that blends reliability with emotional comfort, something that supports their routine instead of adding stress. This keyboard delivers that feeling with ease. It becomes a daily companion that quietly motivates you to stay productive and engaged. Once placed on your desk, it feels like a meaningful upgrade, bringing balance, confidence, and a smooth rhythm that enriches your entire experience. It transforms ordinary moments into something you look forward to,